Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on investing on the stock market. Gonna quickly go over my strategy for 2019. Now we had a very rough 2018, so let's hope 2019 is going to be a better year. Personally, I'm expecting a pretty up and down, sideways kind of year. A lot of volatility, but who knows. But volatility is good. So let's hope we can make a lot of money. So right now, all I'm doing is I'm investing every month. So every month, I take a little bit of money from what I make and I invest in stocks. Now, I will be focusing on stocks that have had a big sell-off in 2018. So far this year, I've been buying Activision Blizzard at around $40. And I plan to pick up some NVDA shares. And then I'll just take it from there. So I'll start with the stocks that have been beaten down. Other than those, I'll be focusing on some staple stocks, which are going to be Boeing, Amazon, Lockheed Martin, maybe some Alibaba and so on. So quite a bit of dividend there. And so far this year, I also added a brand new stock. It was just a hot tip from a friend of mine, and I said, what the heck? It's called MongoDB. It's a small cloud company. They provide like cloud solutions for big data storage or analysis or whatever. I just said, what the heck, let's go. So if you want to check that out. Other than that, I'm just focusing on my personal portfolio, which is this one. So if any of these goes down, I'll buy some. If not, I'll just focus on the top ones. Now, other than that, I'm buying Bitcoin. I'm going to accumulate Bitcoin between 3 and 4K. So I'll keep buying until it rallies and until the next bull run starts, if it comes. And the way I look at Bitcoin is it's to me, it's like almost like a 50-50 chance of a new bull run coming. I mean, there's already been 2 or 3 bull runs. And each time it goes up, it blows the last all-time high out of the water. And if that happens again, historically it should, it's very likely. The next top for Bitcoin could be 100K, 200K. So if you buy now at 3K, you're going to be rich. Just put in a little bit. It's a crazy bet, but what the heck, have some risk and go for it. And as far as rebalancing and sort of managing my portfolio, I'm not a very active investor, but what I will do is if my growth stocks, so Baba, NVIDIA, Take-Two, Square and so on, if they have crazy gains, I'll take some profits and put in my safe dividend stocks, which are going to be Waste Management, Lockheed Martin, JP Morgan, Boeing, D&B and so on. So that's pretty much what I'll be doing for 2019 unless something crazy happens. Now, if we have a kick-ass year and the stock market just goes on a tear, crazy bull run, I might take some money off and keep it on the sideline if some great pullbacks comes along. So that's my strategy. Let me know what you guys are doing. What stocks are you after? Have you sold anything? Are you buying the dip in any stocks? How's your watch list looking? Let me know. A short video from me. I'll see you.